Hi, everybody. Today we're going to supervise the project that we're doing these days in West Windsor, New Jersey. We are working on a 4,000 square foot house, and we're going to do the floor installation, the staining of the stairs, and the base molding installation. So let me show you the project. Okay, so here in this section, we're going to stain the stairs. We're going to stain the stairs. We already stained it. We're going to cut all the extra wood that we have here, and we're going to dump it into the dumpster. So this is the final stages here. We see we're covering the walls because it's kind of like dusty. And then we installing the floors, and then the last stage of the installation will be into the master bedroom. We're going to wait with it till tomorrow probably. Let me show you over here. We're installing the floor in the hallway. We're installing the floor in the hallway. We finish one of the bedroom. Maybe you can see this room. This room is completed. We installed all the floors. We installed back the base molding, and we painted the base molding. So this room is completed 100%. Perfect. This room, we already finished the installation. We installed the floors, we installed the base molding back, and we painted the base molding. This wall we painted about 12 years ago, and it's still in a great condition. We used some stencils for the birds, for the leaves. Beautiful job here. This is our next room. We're going to start installing the floors in this room. This is the last floor other than the master bedroom that we're going to install the floor. And all the floors here ready to be installed. This is the next stage. Here, we're going to install the wood floor. This is the family room. We're going to install the wood floor here. And all the stairs, we're going to install new treads and new risers. And then we're going to stain. All this section will be stained. But right now, this is kind of like low quality plywood. We're going to install new floors, and we're going to stain it in the same color as the railing and the posts. Other than that, we're going to install spindles here, metal spindles instead of wood. You can see the team, they're staying busy, they're installing, they're cutting, they're installing the base molding, the floors. I can show you some few sections that we already completed in the other side of the house. The kitchen we already installed. The floor, we installed the base molding. The dining room, we completed 100%. The dining room, we have new floors installed, new base molding, and we painted all the base molding. So this section is completed 100%. Beautiful job. Beautiful. This section we completed in the first few days. So in order to protect the floor, we put some paper, cardboards, and we put to protect the floor. The office we already completed. The office / prayer room we already completed. And then we completed the living room. You cannot see it, it's covered. But the next stage is to stain. We did 5 samples to our client, and she chose this color. So this will be the color that we're going to apply all the treads. On the risers, we're going to apply white. On the treads, we're going to apply this stain color. And that's the project. This house is in excellent condition. We painted it about 10 years ago. And look at it, it's perfect condition. Like this and that, all this. We painted this house for like 10 years ago. This client is our client from the last 15 years. We did for them, this is the second house that we did for them project.